Tonight, a warning from police. A law enforcement impersonator has been pulling people over in Wayne County and asking women to get out of their cars.
Our Isabel Lawrence spoke with the sheriff's office there today and learned more about these incidents and what drivers should know.
It's very concerning, and we're going to be following up on all the leads that come in to try to bring this person to justice.
In Wayne County, 3 incidents have been reported of someone posing as law enforcement and stopping drivers.
They were pulled over. It was explained to them that it had been pulled over for an equipment violation.
2 women were asked to get out of their cars, but refused. A man was also pulled over, but when the impersonator saw it was a man behind the wheel, they left, according to the sheriff's office.
It appears that this person's targeting women and asking them to get out of their cars, and we can only speculate that that might lead to some type of an abduction or a sexual assault or something of that nature.
One woman described a man driving a black SUV with a single flashing red light, wearing some sort of uniform with a duty belt and shirt that said sheriff. The man who was pulled over described a black Ford Taurus with red and blue lights in the visor. The impersonator, a white man around 6'2", wearing a black hoodie with what looked like a body camera and a duty belt.
Generally, law enforcement officers are not going to be performing general traffic duties with an unmarked car.
Captain Douglas Hunter with the Wayne County Sheriff's Office says if you are unsure who is pulling you over, call 911. The same advice given by the Cleveland Police Department, which has seen 5 incidents of police impersonators since March.
People shouldn't be intimidated or afraid if they see a marked police vehicle pulling them over.
While these incidents can be scary, Captain Hunter says chances are, if you're being pulled over, it's a legitimate officer, and they would not be hostile if you do question if they are legitimate.
But we also have to remember that the odds of you being stopped at all is very, very slim. And then the odds of being stopped by a person impersonating a law enforcement officer is even slimmer.
Now, also in the report I received from the sheriff's office, the man who was pulled over told the sheriff's office that his girlfriend had been driving his car recently, and in the past few weeks, she had found zip ties and markings on the car. Now, according to the report, those kinds of markings can be used by traffickers to identify certain cars, Russ.
Okay, Isabel Lawrence in the newsroom. Thank you.